Guys, abaqeda ukungena manje we are contributing. Bravo.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Afaka any amount, guys.
1,470. Stella, short of 30 rand, guys. It's 3,500. 30 rand is 3,500. 30 rand, guys. Come on now.
Let's go, guys.
Sifuna kuba 4K.
Siyakhona. Meke kwakhona uzofaka 100 rand ozosiphushela 5K siyakhona.
Let's go, guys.
Umuntu kaliyeme uvotela uBravo B, guys.
Ngiyabonga umuntu
Azokwenzeka la.
That's your brother anyway.
Come on, Surat, that's for 10.
Guys,
That's your brother.
Sicela usitholele amanye amalilizi. We need them right now. We need
Guys,
them.
let's go. It's 30 rand, guys, to be on 3,500.
Yabadinga.
30 rand,
let's
guys,
go,
to be
guys.
on
Road to
3,500.
4K, guys.
You need the 30 rand to
to
be
4K,
3,500. Let's go. Account
Abaqeda
number.
Sabadinga abantu njalo.
Abaqeda ukungena we are contributing.
Ufuna uzohamba
Sifuna ukuya eMangosuthu.
nini chomi?
Ngifuna ukuya ngolesithathu. Sengicele nemoto yababa la ekhaya uthe it's fine so ifake i-poster ya Bravo B kodwa kusasa siyokwenza ikipa.
Hayi. Hawe machomi ngicela ungenzela phela nami skipper yo. Okay, yeah ngiyadinga.
Guys,
Ngizokwenzela.
Okay, babe. Alright.
abaqeda ukungena we are voting, we are contributing for
Ngolesithathu
Bravo B.
ngizo-update yazi ukuthi ngimi kanjani. If unga-attend, I will try and
Ngesake vele kuseni kakhulu cause
We ubani lo Twarakazi Libe cela usimele kancane.
Ingomnaki. Hey. Ngamphendula nje nokumphendula la.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. We've
Abaqeda ukungena we are contributing for Bravo B.
Okay. Yes. Continue, Andy.
Abaqeda kulawa abaqeda ukungena guys we are contributing for Bravo B any amount from 50 rand, 30 rand.
Yeah.
Hey guys, any amount please.
Any amount.
The account number iyo le ka Capitec TI Majola. Any amount guys.
Any amount.
Yeah,
ufuna
guys,
ukufaka 1,000 futhi ulifake.
Ungalifaka ne-1000.
Fine. Guys, we are short of stand sipho 30 rand ukuthi 3,500. 30 rand ukuthi 3,500 guys. 30 rand.
Kuyoshiyana amandla guys, any amount.
Vele sithi
Manje
sijango,
ngoba
30
lo
rand.
omunye ungathi ngoba lo munye usefaka u100 rand uthi usengiyasaba lokufaka u20 rand wami siyawudinga nalo 20 rand.
Rand done. I hope it, yes, well Mr. It Mrs. Majola. Where ma? 3,500 road to 5K guys. That's 4K. I mean, been in 5K. 4K guys. Road to 4K. Yo, I went no ma. Lo mqothuka weyinwele la nesiphonga ibhasi sinyanyisa.
Guys, sesiku 3.5 road to 4K. Let's go guys. Please guys, let's go.
How to buy votes? I want to buy for Bravo.
Wenoxi.
Imali. You send imali, then we.
You can send kuyo le account kathi
You send the account, then you send the proof
vote. Yes. You can send kuyo le account kathi Majola and then sihlanganise yonke imali sithenge ama vote amaningi please.
Amaningi then send the proof
Let's go guys. We are contributing for
Uphela lo ba ulime.
Uyabhora lo.
Ulime.
Uthira kwazi.
Ulime cela umsuse la. Akuyondawo yokugcogcomela izingane le ngicela umsuse la.
No noma.
Ngisambheka ulime shothi sengimblockile wayangaveli.
Sicela amakhona abathe bakuliyema bavotela uBravo siyabacela we need them right now. Ubhuti kalema ngasanje ngaphandle.
Guys, abaqeda ukungena we are contributing for Bravo B any amount guys 30 rand 50 rand 100 rand road to 4K guys okwamanje sime ku 3.5 let's go guys come on guys
let's go guys let's go we on 3,500 guys.
The account number ile engisendayo Capitec account TI Majola. Let's go guys.
Amen.
Cela silale siphethe 4K guys. Nakusasa njalo ningadini.
Oh ashe.
Let's go guys. Let's contribute guys. Any amount 30 rand 40 rand 50 rand. Let's go guys. Road to 3K, road to 4,000 guys.
Uthi malini ukuthenga ama votes nangu bani?
Any amount, you can take a vote with any amount.
You can send us 50 rand.
How much are you willing to
Akafaki imali
buy?
uzobona.
any amount ayi-affordayo because sizothi akafaka u-50 rand kanti befuna ukusifakela 1,000 rand. Let's go guys.
Yeah, let's go, guys.
Let's go guys.
Guys, we on 3,520.
3.5. Yes.
Yeah,
Guys,
so 3,520. 3,520.
welinde ukuthi athenga khona le kule account le ka-TI Majola, contributor kule account ka-TI Majola, athenga khona lapha amavoti. Any amount onayo guys, let's push 50 rand, 30 rand guys, as pushing to
Guys.
ku-4K guys, sizokwazi ukuthi sihlukane sami sovota nathi guys.
Let's go, guys.
Umuntu mase contributile la u-30 rand angathi useqedile, you also go vote guys. Uyahamba uyovota and awuvoti namavoti awu-100 awu-200 kuphela, uyaqhubeka siphushe guys ukuthi uthole amavoti amaningi. Please, let's go.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's reach 4K, guys. Then see Valley, guys. We on 3,520, guys.
Bravo, it's in your hands right now guys, so let's vote, let's donate. Contribution guys, abathathu ungena la, we are contributing for uBravo B. Any amount guys, 30 rand, 50 rand, 100 rand. Let's go guys. I-account iyo le ka-Capitec TI Majola. Let's go guys, please, let's go. Road to 4K guys. Kumanje sime ku 3.5. Let's go.
We make 3.5. Yeah, let's go, guys. 3,520. Let's do 4K, guys. Bese siyaqhubeka siyavala.
Then we are voting.
Siyovota.
Target 10K per person at least, not 100.
Yes, 10K votes.
Dan, Mrs. Machol, ufake malini we Ayanda mamas, ufake malini, sitshela ukuthi ufake malini is-80. Sitshela ukuthi ufake malini is-80.
How much?
Please show me your account number. Ngicela ngibhalele account number ufune again, guys. Please.
Ikhona la.
Please type it. Please, let's go, guys. Stella we Ayanda makwazi sitshela ufake malini mama, sikhane sikwazi ukukhaphela is-80.
20 rand.
Ufake u-20 rand. Let's go guys. Yes, time
Ufake
Rand.
20
Thank you.
Yeah, ufake 20 rand.
Okay, siyabonga kakhulu Ayanda. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is 3,540.
Let's go guys. Let's go guys. Any amount.
Let's go, guys. I've sent it. Okay, Mama. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ayanda. Thank you so much.
Guys, can you please tap the screen, guys?
We appreciate.
Guys,
Let's
can
go,
you please
guys.
tap
We on.
Guys, can you please tap the screen? Tap the screen, everyone, guys. Please tap the screen.
We on 3,540, guys. Let's go. Road to 4K, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Guys, can you please tap the screen? Awanyuka
Akusikusha 11 English. Yeah, 11 siyayivala siyovota, guys. Come to vote.
Guys, tap the screen. Tap the screen. Tap the screen. Share the live.
Sanibonani mawufuna
guys.
ikhona i-account number Maxoli. Ikhona i-account phone, please.
Account number.
Account number.
TI Majola.
Restart phone yakho phone. Ngicela urestart phone mama, kuyenzeka I think i-system i-crash out.
Yeah, your system is crashing out.
Not see
Nangu no notes la.
my account number.
Excuse me. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Guys, can you please tap the screen?
Let's go. We on 3,540, guys. Road to 4K. Mrs. Ivan.
Guys, ngicela nitap screen, please.
Kwenzakalani ma-ela ey'krinini zethu?
Abaqeda ukufika guys, we are contributing
please
for
restart it mama. Yo guys, abantu banenkinga my TV. I don't know what's happening.
We are crash out. People are voting.
No guys, bayeke nabalinde nathi nje
Lindani
ithatha time ukuvota.
kancane mhlawumbe after 12.
Balinde kancane nje, be patient. After 12 they can still vote.
Yeah, be patient guys, be patient with the system. Ile ku anele mashoba niye asimbo iyona.
ku anele noma andi.
Yes, iyona nangebhali. Yes iyona. Ingakho andile ngifuna ibhalo wena because benino anele because angifuna abantu bazibabhale i-account number wrong. Lapho ngile 1,500 vote. It's okay, wefuna kulokhu izama u-restart ifone uyicishe uphinde uyiqale phansi.
Yeah,
Unga-give up mama. Let's go guys. Let's go.
Please,
We on 3,540, guys. We want to reach 4K. Let's say
guys, let's go. Kulaba baqeda ukufika, we are contributing for Bravo B.
Yeah?
Any amount, guys. 30 rand, 50 rand, 40 rand. Let's go, guys. Guys, can you please tap the screen? Can tap the screen bundle?
Wenoxi,
Yeah, babe.
Wenox.
Yeah, babe.
Uba ukhuluma noMelin.
I really don't know, hey? Angazi ngempela
Because I
ngizama.
think naye fanele mebona ukuthi akavele enza ama-contribution athenge ama-vote guys. uMelino okhuluma noMelino ukuthi usiyakekho la uMelino akathenge akafuna abantu abazokwenza ama-contribution manje. Isikhathi asikho.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Yeah.
3,540 guys. Road to 4K, guys.
Let's go, guys.
Let's end it. I'm sure nani nifuna ukuyovota manje nikhathele yimi no Andile no Michelle no kwazi no Thembeli hlelo kwenibhalela ama-account number ni tired.
Kodwa nje ngifuna ngazi ukuthi inhliziyo yami yolala ibuhlungu mazingalala nalo 3.5 ngicela kube u-40K
Nami
guys,
guys
please.
ngifuna kuba u-4K
Yeah.
sivale kuyeni right nje.
Guys, yes,
Let's
if
go,
sonke
guys.
singathatha isicini ngangcono.
I'm sure nikhathele bafethu yithi lana
Sonke
nifuna
isicini.
ukuphumula nani nifuna ukuyovota nifuna ukuhlupha abantu yabo leso sicefe leso nje simnandi. Please guys, let's go.
Guys, tap the screen. Guys, kulaba abaqeda ukungena, we are contributing for Bravo B. Any amount, guys. 30 rand, 50 rand, 100 rand ngaphezulu. Road to 4K okwamanje sino 3.5. Let's go, guys.
Mama Anela ayiphineka ngazi indaba ingafuni ukuphineka. There is why ngimhlupha ngisicela ngibhalele because ayifuni ukuphineka. Siyabonga guys kwaze kwasetshenzwa ngigcine siku road to 2K sesila. Well done to you too Mnosi. Well done to you too mama usebenzile nawe. We are not alone.
Nathara cela uyokhuluma
Cela
leyo
ubloke lo muntu lo Nox. uThamara nomba.
Indaba
Asuke la
zamakhosana.
engathi udidekile.
angasidela.
Yona kaphumi la.
Let's go guys. 3,540.
Abangadidekeli kuthini.
Sanibonani guys, kuba qeda ukungena, we are contributing for Bravo B. Road to 4K guys, kumanje sime ku 3.5 bandla. Let's go guys. Ungashawa 11 singakafiki ku 4,000. Let's push guys. Sizokwazi ukuthi sikhululeke nathi sihambeni sovota bafethu nisikhulule.
Ngasiphi 30
Let's go,
rand,
guys.
40 rand, 50 rand.
Any amount guys, any amount.
Ale bank it's Capitec Noxi Capitec Smart
Check
Majola.
account. Ma ufaka imali ngahlali ngavesi ukuthi ayizoveza uMrs Majola.
Oh yeah, Mrs. Majola, yeah.
Because nama ngifaka isho kanjalo Mrs Majola. Let's go guys. Let's go guys. Let's contribute guys. Kubo bonke labantu abayi 233 guys. Tap the screen. Tap the screen bandla. Let's donate. Silale no 4K sizokwazi ukuphumula nathi sihambeni sovota. Let's go guys. Kwaba qeda ukungena, we are contributing for Bravo B. Any amount guys. Capitec account TI Majola or Mrs. Majola. Let's go guys, any amount. Let's go guys. Usema bazizwa amandla eyinkosi yami nobuthongo sobuzipha amandla. Mawungathi nje 200.
2
Ongathi-
athi 60 rand ithi 4.
Mawungathi nje
asabena
200.
sabena sicontribute nazish ama-20 rand 30 rand 40 rand 50
Sokukhishwa
rand
malini wewenda sikhipha 50 rand noma 100 rand mama between 50
Any
rand and
amount
100 rand.
okhonayo.
Yeah.
kuya ngamandla wakho
Kuya ngamandla akho ukuthi unamandla ka50 noma ka100.
Because nakusasa kuseyilanga futhi.
Wenda sikwazi ukusho njengamanje simangake ezinye izinto ziyimfihlo mama. So ngcono sizivele sifake imali ziyimfihlo ezinye izinto asikwazi ukuzisho i-competition nangaphandle it's competition.
Let's go.
Yabona la kunama
Kubo
monitor.
bonke
Let's
labantu
go,
abayi
guys.
210. Guys, can you please tap the screen?
Ay. Let's go guys. We're on 3,540 guys. Let's go. Let's go. Wendy vele ufake imali Wendy. Vele umuphi 50 rand mama. Uvele sibone ukuthi yazini uWendy udiniwe. Ayibo 50 rand done to Miss Mkhanazi. Niyayithola. Yeah. Plus 50 rand. Ngicela ningi-edela guys. 40 rand plus 50.
90
Wembali.
90 rand.
3,590. Yo, let's go.
Wembali
guys.
ezokwenza ukuthi ubone ukuthi
Hayibo,
uBravo
wena
Beach longer
manjoma.
than
Guys, plus 100 rand, 90 rand, plus 100 rand.
190.
Bani?
190.
Hayibo, anibona ngandlela
100 rand la.
It's 190.
Yeah.
3,500 and bani ke shoot.
It's
3,609.
690.
690.
Let's go, guys.
Abaliyema bazohlukana phakathi. They will vote for uBravo abanye bavotele
Ngicela nivote Nkosi yami siyacela sifuna lento eyenzekile
We are
Let's go guys, let's go. Yo guys, namhlanje
Khululeka wewethu.
Yes, I got uzwile uNkulunkulu. Today
Ngibuyisa ithemba.
Yo, benikhona sithandaza. Yo,
Yeah,
beniyex.
sikhona.
impilo sizoyivala ngomthandazo no.
Yebo, yonke into enhle ubuyisela uNkulunkulu uyacela bese ubuyisela yena.
Uyayibuyisela, yes.
Njalo. Let's go guys. Let's go. We on
guys,
3,690 guys.
we
Bese
are
siyafika ku 4K.
contributing for uBravo B.
account.
Any amount, guys, from 30 rand upwards.
So any
amount,
penny ile
guys.
kuziya iya crash out guys ayingeni
Yeah, cash out, guys. People are going hard on their face, Shem.
I know Big Brother must do something here. Hey. Because manje mayilokhu ikhashatha kanje abantu befuna ukuvota bazogcina bekhohlwa. Angisho ukuthi bese niyakhohlwa ke nani.
Let's go, guys. We're on 3,690. I'm done voting.
Sesishota
I'm not done.
ngo-400,
You
sesishota ngo-
now.
Siyabonga V, sicela bandla usirecruitela amanye amalilizi avotele uBravo. V, thank you so much. Sicela usitholela amanye amalilizi avotele uBravo. We know.
Guys, 400 to go, guys. 400 to go.
200 to
Because
go.
I'm going to
Sifike ku 6,
4,000.
7, 8, 9. Yeah, 200 to go, guys. We reach 4K. 200 to go. We reach 4K, guys. Let's go.
Uthesi ku 4.6.
Siku 3,690. Nisho njalo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
400.
Let's
nje,
go,
sesishota
guys.
ngo-400.
400 short, guys. Sifike la siyakhona manje. Siyacela
Let's go,
ama 50 rand,
guys.
guys. 50 rand. Yeah, khona
Let's go,
khona
guys.
comment section.
Siyabonga Mabuhle for voting for Bravo B. Please guys, we need more Lily's fans.
Nakusasa.
Yandinga, we need you guys.
Noxy, akwazi nangu Noxy la ku comment section uthi kuvotwa kanjani.
Not for Didi, for
Umuntu
Bravo.
ongakhona ukuvota cela ngene ku-account kaNox akhona amavidiyo.
Thank you so much V, thank you.
Good night, Nkosi. You are not wrong. We are indeed the bottom 3, but we are about to break the record.
Lalela, we are with you.
You are about to change indlela osibiza ngayo next week. Uzokuthi ushona. Namhla we are bottom 3. Tomorrow, sibe sesenelinye igama, my brother. Don't shade us here.
Sisuke la kwi-bottom 3 akavote.
Yeah, let's go, guys.
Akavote.
We on 3,690, guys. Let's go.
Guys, ngoba put ungena we are contributing for uBravo B. Ungafaka any amount, guys, 30 rand, 50
More
rand.
than 5K. Tando, you need more. IUC, DS, you need more.
Yes,
You can
guys.
also vote ngamaphone wabangani bakho nawe nje vote sebenzisa amafoni.
Yes, Shamiwi, uthini umbuzo wakho gogo uthini?
La